Hey, on this video, I'm going to give you everything you need to take advantage of the absolute best marketing opportunity you have for 2023. And I'm going to give it to you all step by step. So right now, I suggest you buckle up. Let's get into it. If you've been following me on this channel, you'll know I just released a few videos over the last short period of time. I'm going to link them up here, but wait, don't go watch them just yet. On one of those videos, I give you 41 ways that you could double your car count and do it all without spending a dime. There's even a free download there that'll walk you through everything. The next video, I give you 8 specific things that you can do in your advertising copy to get more car count. And when I say advertising, I don't care whether it's a Facebook post or you're creating a video or it's a postcard or a letter. It's the words that you use that are going to make the difference. And the third video I linked here is your absolute best marketing opportunity for 2023. And most recently, I developed a quick little short. You might have seen it, and I'll run it right here now. Hey, if you were an auto repair shop owner and you wanted to run a Mother's Day promotion, tell me which headline you think would do better. Number 1, AAA Auto Repair Mother's Day promotion. Or number 2, at last, save $89 on your next auto service. Go ahead and leave your comments down below. On that short, I displayed 2 different headlines for your Mother's Day promotion. And every response I got said that the second headline was the one that they would use. So if you've been following along and you want to put this out and take advantage of your best marketing opportunity, I went ahead and logged into a free service called Canva. And I'm going to link that down below. But next, I'm going to show you how I did this all totally free using the Canva service. So if you're buckled up and ready to go, let's jump into it. So I wanted to show you everything step by step so that you can get this all done and have lots of time in advance to get all this going. So I'm logged in here on Canva and I wanted to show you this right from the start. So basically you've got no excuse. So let's go over and start here at the design highlight. And for the purpose of what we're talking about today, let's look at their social media templates. So these are things that are sized properly for social media, appear properly on the phone. But head up here to the search bar, type in car repair shop, car repair service. So let's have a look there. So now we've got a selection of a bunch of different templates and read it into some of these. Some of these are a little bit bigger here. Like this is car repair maintenance, and just looking at this looks like it would be perfect for, fitting on a phone. There's all kinds of opportunities here. I want to walk you through this and show you how you can do this so you don't have an excuse is why you couldn't get this done for Mother's Day. In fact, right now, as we're recording, we're a month away from Mother's Day. So there's lots of time to do this. This is dead simple. And I'm going to try to do this so that you may open this video and watch along as you do yours. Now, I'm just going to click on this dark bronze auto repair. So let's start here. We've got the auto repair shop here, and we will customize this template. So now we have an opportunity to change this and make this any way, do anything we want. So I'm going to start by just taking this logo thing out here. I'm going to use the headline that we talked about in my previous video when I talked about doing this for Mother's Day. So that means we're going to take this text and we're going to start with we're going to start with at last. And save $89 on your next service. Okay, so obviously you're looking at this and it's it's walking all over things. We've got to do some change in the font size. So right here you can see that it selected a font for us, and we're just going to start making this a little smaller till it fits properly. And there you have it. So you can see we've got our headline here. It's at last, save $89 on your next service. Again, I'm talking about using my signature kick butt offer formula, and I've included a link below this video because that calendar is going away. I'm telling you, I've had some issues with a lot of spam and different things, that just sort of stuff that I don't need. But it's open now. You can do that now, and I guarantee you, when we get on the phone and talk, I'm going to give you at least 3 things that you can do immediately to start making more money and getting more car count, and I'm going to do it all for free and then set you up with your own kick butt offer. So if we were on the phone and we used your pricing, did no discounts, and did it all properly according to my kick butt offer formula, you would be able to say to a customer, at last, save $89 on your next service. Put here on your next auto service. So we have a headline started. Now, we're not telling them what it is, but we're telling them that they got to do it, or we're going to tell them that they got to do it now. So let's just do a quick duplicate here and make sure that we can add that in. Okay, let's do it this way. The way they do it, they use a duplicate. So we're going to take this new duplicated thing, drag it down here, and let's move the copy size down to something that will fit. Understand that we're not getting too fancy with graphics. It really doesn't matter. It's about looking at this from your customer's point of view. And Mother's Day is a great opportunity to give this a shot. You're at least a month away of getting this all done. So we're going to change this to, but I can only do this for the first 10 appointments, first 10 people. I mean, you might want to play with some of the wording here, but basically, I think you get the gist of this. We're going to move this up here, move this logo thing, because it's really not important. And yes, you could go in and swap your logo here in Canva. Canva lets you do just about anything, any of the pro programs let you do, but here we have it. So now you've got a posting that's following. We're not talking about how many tools you have. We're not talking about the fact you've been in business for 17 years and you're family owned. None of that matters. We're talking about the point of view of the customer. So you can go out and say, at last, save $89 on your next auto service, but I can only do this for the first 10 people. Do this. Put it on your Facebook page and see what happens. Start to drive traffic to it. Start to send people emails. Say, hey, have a look at this. Let's just finish this off. But I'm going to add a little thing here and urge them along to say, pick up the phone and book now. I'm going to add that exclamation mark and, of course, your phone number. So there we have it. This line here, arrow, is okay, just as a design issue. And you might want to add a tagline here. Again, this is something that is up to you. And if you go to below this video and you book a strategy call with me, I'll answer any question you got. So depending on your particular service and what you're offering or how you're doing it, of course, you're going to want to start with your kick butt offer that you and I will put together on that phone. And I don't want to keep harping on it, but that's going away. You may just want to delete this. And we're going to take this, move it up, and we're going to go here. Don't forget, we can also take this, just that text, and we can change the color of it. Might want to make that something that stands out a little more, something along those lines. Let's see what we come up with here. And we did that. Again, I'm not looking at this the way I would do design, but nonetheless, I think you get the gist of it. So you can do this. This is a professional looking posting. Let's take this and duplicate this. I'm sorry if I'm keeping you a little longer, but let's do this and make this, call this Happy Mother's Day. And because we're there, let's change the color. Let's give it a rose color. Does that look a little better? Okay, it's, beside your logo, you're going to have a Happy Mother's Day, and there you have it. So you're sort of well laid out, well balanced. Again, you can do things. I showed you how to take text and duplicate it and then change the size and do things, add email, add anything else, add a text line, add anything you want to do. But do this now. You then go to share and export and all that other stuff. So you can copy the link, you can download it, you can share it on social. Canva's got it all done for you. But I wanted to show you that in a few minutes that you can go to Canva, sign up on a free account, totally free, use your email address. You can buy programs. I have not, but there's all kinds of opportunities. Walk you through everything to do this. And if you found this video helpful, would really appreciate you leaving a like, maybe subscribe, but get this done. Hey, wasn't that pretty cool? In fact, wasn't it really easy? Look, I have no special superpowers. I'm not a Canva user. And you watched me walk through this using the 100% free version. So in reality, you just don't have an excuse to take advantage of this Mother's Day promotion. But understand this, if you're watching this video late and you can't do it, or you missed the boat, there's Memorial Day, Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and a holiday every month that you can use to develop a similar type promo to put car count, income, and profits into your repair shop. Hey, I got a quick question for you. If anything in this video helped you or showed you something that you maybe didn't know already, would it be a bad idea to go down below and hit that like button? Doing that will tell YouTube they should spread this to other shop owners just like you. And if you really want to make my day, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, and you'll know every time I upload new content on this channel. And you're going to want to know that because there's some big changes happening. I'll explain more on that a little bit later in the next video. But right now, if you don't have an outline for your own Mother's Day offer, you can go in the link down below and book a totally free strategy call with me. And on that call, here's what's going to happen. Inside of 15 minutes, you and I are going to sit down and develop a kick-butt offer that works for you. And just so we're sure and we understand each other, we're going to use your pricing. We're not going to discount anything, no giveaways, and I'll put it all together for you, and you can go ahead and promote that, and you can in fact get in and do that for Mother's Day, which is the absolute best marketing opportunity you have in 2023. And if that's not enough, I've got a bonus for you. On that call, I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do right now, today, that aren't going to cost you a nickel, but you're going to start making more money and continue to grow your car count, income, and profits. And hey, wait, before you leave, you're going to want to head over to this video and see 8 strategies that you can use immediately that won't cost you a nickel to start generating more car count. And over here, you'll understand the best marketing opportunity you have right now. So go ahead, I'll catch you on the other videos. Take care, we'll talk real soon.